I missed the clip. So what I'm showing y'all, I got some white paint and I just did a brush across. And then I outlined it with gold. Yeah, sorry about that. Right here I'm using a 1-inch wood circle and I'm painting it with the red barn and the yellow that I used earlier in the video. And now I'm painting the sides with a black. And then I got the Glitterific pastel coral and I just mainly poured it on. Alright fam, so I'm back. I moved y'all a little closer. Closer. So I'm going to use Treasure Gold by FolkArt Platinum. It's like a silver color. I'm going to take that. Get some. And just go around like this. So this is what I got. That is so cool, right, y'all? Y'all see that? It looked like a quartz. So these glitterific pastels are so fly. So what I'm going to do, glue this like this. I'm going to use Gorilla Grip. And I painted the back of this like a blue. So you can just put it like right across here. Okay. And just lay this like down like that. I'll be back once this dry. I'm gonna gloss it. I'm gonna put a flat back on there. And then this will be our design. Classy but cultural. So I'll be back. Alright fam, I'm done. So this is the finished results. These are called Classy but Cultural. This is how I did my bag. Flat back on there. Sterling silver one. So I thought these were cute. Came out cute, right? This was the other one that I had already did. It's the bag. So this is another DIY. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all make as many as y'all want. And I will see y'all in my next DIY. Don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Respect those that respect you. Pick up trash in your community. Salam, salam.